Running parallel MATLAB jobs. A parallel job refers to a program running on a cluster's compute node using more than one process, or running on multiple compute nodes within the cluster. These jobs can be run in two different ways, either as an interactive session or as a batch-type job submission. Interactive jobs. The interactive session will only work on a single node. To start a parallel interactive session on a compute node and launch MATLAB, the following command can be used. Here we see that the srun command is used to allocate one node with 4 processes for 1 hour, and bash selected as the terminal environment. After which, the module necessary to use MATLAB is loaded. Finally, an interactive MATLAB session is started by typing MATLAB into the command line interface. Here is a demonstration of the process. Parallel MATLAB execution on multiple nodes is not covered in this video, and if you would like to use multiple nodes for your parallel MATLAB job, then please contact us. We'll now take a quick look at a parallel example usage of a MATLAB interactive shell session. In this example, we first specify how many processors or cores we will be using. Then we use parpool to pool the requested workers. We then use the par_for loop method to assign index responsibility to each of the workers so they can carry out the population of matrix C in parallel. Suppose instead of using a parallel interactive MATLAB terminal, we want to execute a MATLAB script directly. This can be done within an interactive session, as shown below. Note, this assumes that the resource request for a single node with 4 cores has already been done. Here we have a file called example.m, which contains the 5 lines of MATLAB code we previously used in the interactive terminal session. Like the interactive MATLAB session, we first need to ensure that the MATLAB module is loaded. Then we pass the example.m script to the MATLAB interpreter using redirection. Batch jobs. Now let's look at an alternate way to execute our example MATLAB script file. Here we will use a Slurm batch script to both allocate the necessary resources as well as execute the example script. This batch script, called matlab_job.sh, is shown below. The first line specifies what terminal environment to load. The second section is the series of allocation specifications, all prepended by the special word sbatch. Looking over the allocation specifications, we can see that the job is being given the name my_matlab_job. The execution output summary is being specified as my_matlab_job.o%j. A total of 4 hours is requested. A single node, along with 4 cores, are requested. The last section is what the script will actually execute, which involves loading the necessary MATLAB module and then execution of the script using redirection for the input and output. Once the Slurm batch script is configured, the script can be submitted to the resource negotiator as follows: sbatch matlab_job.sh. Note that the matlab_job.sh script assumes the input MATLAB script is contained in the same directory that it is executed from. As the job runs, its progress can be monitored via the sq command. And once it completes, the specified output file, compute.out, will be populated within the submission directory. For technical support or to request a consultation, visit us at support.hpedsi.uh.edu. For general inquiries, please write us at contact@hpedsi.uh.edu.